Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this COVID belt pad for our car. That's not only for children, it's also for adults compatible. It has a seat belt pad in microfiber leather. The seat belt protection in a soft version of it. It's a car belt, a nag belt, a protection track for SUV coverings and accessories for the interior. We have two of them, yeah, because it's a two-piece pack here in red, blue, black, or beige, and also available in plush, black, plush blue, plush red, plush pink. The good old plush. Protective and comfortable. No more rubbing on our neck or collar area. By the seatbelt. The belt cushion make the edges of the seatbelt significantly softer. That's suited for adults and children. And adjustment practical, because the seatbelt cushion with the Velcro is adjustable to different belts, seat belt, scent sizes. And it's so easy to attach. And of course, it's easy to quickly remove. We have here a durable and soft design because the seatbelt cushions are made of high quality microfiber leather, which is soft, wear resistant, and easy to clean. It does not fade or discolor by sunlight. It is very durable and safe and can be used in the car for a long time. And you can take it away and go to another car with it. So that's a cool feature. And versatile. The two P's of the COVID belt pads are included. The seat belt pads are possible for or connectable for cars, for trucks, for SUVs, but also for airplanes. It's not only for the seat belts, but also for backpacks, luggage, strollers, shoulder bags, satchels, etc. And anywhere else you need a comfortable belt cushion. And it's fashionable because we have several colors to choose from. The belt protectors can be decorated our car, gives it fashionable touch, complemented in the interior, and it makes our car more beautiful and dazzling, while showing our cool and stylish personality and our unique taste. It looks great. It makes a good job. This it is. The COVID belt pad for our car. Really soft, really nice. That's microfiber leather. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.